Hi everyone, my name is ID and thank you so much for joining me in this video here. What I will be sharing with you are just some tips that I use to personalize my greeting cards. So I created Agape greeting cards as a way that to send cards for different occasions to friends and family, and they ended up loving the cards so much that they decided to encourage me to go further with it from just being a hobby or something I enjoy to do. So I'm going to give it a try. So with no further ado, I would like to start off with a couple of tips for you. The first tip I have for you, one is, of course, you know who you're going to give the greeting card to. So you want to just think a little more about that person. What's in your heart towards that person? Do you have a deep fondness for that person? Is there anything or part of your life that that person touches, and you want to incorporate that into the words that you're going to place into that greeting card? Secondly, from your experience with that person, what about them that you can recall? Maybe a favorite color, maybe they love the tropics, maybe they love flowers, just little things that will help you add that extra personalized touch to that card. The third thing is you want to also incorporate their name. I think that's important because the name to me tells that person, yes, this is my card, and they have a deeper appreciation for it because they realize that you sat down and you took that extra time to make a card specific for them. They are going to cherish that card. They're not going to they're going to put it up somewhere where they can see it and always be reminded of that card that you took that extra time to make for them. And then once you have those three components, then you want to sit down and determine how you want to design the card. So you want to say, would you do it heart shaped? Would you do it just a regular card? Just different things, because sometimes people don't always like the standard card and they want to make a little extra something. But at the same time, you have to be careful, because if it's not something you're doing all the time, you can actually end up having a lopsided card or a card that doesn't turn out right, and you're going to be so upset with yourself and you're going to have to be redoing it until you get it right. So my suggestion is, if you're just doing it for the time, go ahead and do the basic regular shape card, and then you can go ahead and put whatever decorations you want on it. And I think most of all, to keep it simple, if you know colors that the person loves, then just incorporate colors, just colors. So if, example, a gentleman asked me to make a card for his daughter. She's 8 years old, and she loved pink and purple. So what I did was, I went on YouTube, I looked at various design ideas, just little things, to help me figure out what kind of design I wanted for an 8-year-old girl. So I was able to find that I could make like a little dress, which is the icon I have on my YouTube there. Like make a little dress, and inside of it was the purple. So the dress was in pink, and there was flowers on there in pink and purple, her name on it in purple, and happy birthday in purple. So basically I incorporated the colors. I added some flowers because I thought little girls might like some flowers. She's 8 years old, so I put in a little flowers, and then in the inside I just put a basic birthday wish, but in a way that daddy and mom can just add a little extra scripting or any words that they would like. And in that way, the child would be so appreciative of it. So when I did ask him how his daughter loved the card, this is what he said: she keeps asking me for my dress every time she puts it down, or she just forgets it for a minute. She keeps saying, "Daddy, where is my dress?" And I said, oh, she's referring to the card, And these are the things that you want. You want, when you create that card, that person can see themselves all over it. It's not about just making a card and just saying, okay, I made this for you. You want to personalize that card to the fullest extent if you're going to take the time to do so. So with that said, If you do like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments, anything that you would like to share as far as how you personalize your stuff or your cards basically, and if you have any suggestions or anything that will help, I'm always open to suggestion. Please go ahead and comment. And again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe, because I will be coming with my next video on Sunday with the exact way that I make greeting cards. I'm actually going to do a demo, and it's going to be for a coworker for her birthday. So please join me for that next video, and I look forward to seeing you. Again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe so that you will not miss. And that little bell, okay, go ahead and tick that little bell so you will not miss the next video or any future videos. So thank you so very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Bye-bye.